Today I'm going to be doing a short hair tutorial for you guys because I know you guys love short hair, especially the pixie cut. So I'm going to be showing you guys that, and I'm going to be doing a hair on a budget. So if you guys like these hair on a budgets, make sure you guys go ahead and stick around and keep on watching. So let me tell you guys, so I'm going to be using the dome cap today, and it's just going to protect my hair, especially the edges, from falling out. And if I want to take it off, I can, because I'm using the dome cap. Now it's just like a wig, and I'm just going to be using this. It comes in all different types of sizes. I know it's one fit all, so this is something that's very stretchy, and I'm going to be using this. Now this was $2.99, so a lot of you guys love hair on a budget, so I'm going to be using this. And I'm also going to be using my Milky Way hair that I love. And I already opened it up because I already got the cap on. And yeah, so I'm going to be just doing my little pixie cut and styling it up Halle Berry way. I love how she be flipping her hair up and just doing her hair. So I'm gonna just do like a Halle Berry type of style today. Guys, when I tell you guys, this hair is so pretty soft, especially like when you're cutting it, it like literally lays your hair exactly how you want it. So you don't really have to flat iron it or anything like that. So if you're gonna be using this hair, good hair. So I'm going to be using this. If you guys want to stick around, make sure you guys go ahead and do that. I'm also going to be keeping this cap on because I just don't want to get glue on my hair. And this is more thicker, especially on the dome cap. It got the little stretchy part so that you won't get any type of glue on the sides of your hair. It comes like this, super duper stretchy. I'm just gonna put this on. I'm gonna be using the medium one. Now the medium one is the one that I put at the bottom of my hair, and then the larger one I always put like at the top, and then I leave it alone. But I don't think I'm gonna be using the closure today because I'm just getting really tired of the closures. It makes it look very fake. So I'm gonna be using all of this, the larger bundle, at the top of my hair. So if you guys want to, you guys can use the whole pack. I mean, it's literally up to you, but I only use 2. starting off with the larger bundle. now that I'm done with the medium one. And I think I want to put this all over my head. So I'm gonna start with the larger bundle at the top of my hair and then work my way around. And we're gonna do the Janet. No, why do I keep saying Janet? I meant to say Halle Berry, you know, swoop, 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 do, okay? So I can't wait to get my chocolate milkshake. I don't know why I keep thinking that. I need to go get me a chocolate milkshake because it's my favorite. So I'm not gonna be cutting strips. No strips today. I probably just work my way around because I want it thin as possible at the top of my hair. So I'm not gonna be cutting them. I'm just gonna use the longer strips at the top. But I wanna make them like super duper thin because on her head, I kind of just feel like it's like light at the top of her head. So I wanna make it like light as possible. Not thick, you know, not too much. I want to make it like natural at the top of my hair. So I'm going to use these long strips and I'm going to proceed with my process and hopefully it turn out right because we're not going to use that much, okay? So yeah, milkshake it is. I don't know why I keep thinking my milkshake brings, what does it say? It says my milkshake. Girl, I don't even know, but I was thinking that song, but I'm just trying to see what it is. Comment down below what song is that because I'm kind of loving that, and I'm gonna go get me a milkshake when I get off. So I am spacing them out because I do want my stuff really, really light, so not like heavy on me because I don't like that. So I'm gonna space them out, like not really, really spaceful, but I want it to be light. So I'm gonna continue with this, and I'm using the whole strip today. I usually don't do that, but today I will. So I kind of think that it's more easier and it doesn't take up a lot of my time. So I'm gonna use all of the strips today. Not all of the bundles, but I wanna use the whole large strip. And let's just proceed with this because we're not trying to let this take up all the time. Okay, so hair off, everything is off my shirt, and I had to rearrange some things around. But I'm on my way to the top, and I'm just gonna work my way into cutting this dude into the Halle Berry style. So love, love, love these little scissor things, however you want to say it. I love these razors, super duper sharp, and I like these. I got this from my local beauty supply store. They carry all different sizes, and I really, really love this so much. So I'm gonna be cutting this, but also be careful with using these because you might cut a bunch off. So be careful with using this because we don't want all of that cut off. So I'm gonna continue. So I'm gonna do it my way, especially at the top of my hair because I really, really love that taper look, especially on the sides and the back. is my waxy stick. I'm just gonna rub this on my hand because I don't want to get super greasy because I don't like how greasy it turns out. Super oily. It depends on what type of stick you use, so I'm gonna just shape this here. Lay it down. I just got done cutting it. So we're just gonna get it as straight as possible. Just cutting a little bit at the top because her top is a little laid back at the top, so. For this video, did go in and spike it up just a little bit. Sorry guys, let me fix it. Let me fix this. But I did go in and fix this hair up just like Holly's, and I love the spiky look, especially at the top. Blazered on the side, if that's a word. But we did go in and just wipe it over there on the side, and we got the Holly look. And I'm so excited, guys. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. I really love how I just spiked this look up, especially with my stick. And I got this at the local beauty supply store. If you guys do not know, these sticks, it don't matter what stick you get, but get you one of these sticks. And I guess this was some, I think this was $19.99. And guys, this works, and I had this stick for like a year and it's still holding up good. So get you a stick if you want to like spike your hair up. Go to your local beauty supply store, get you a stick. It's only $19.99. And guys, I literally love the Halle Berry dip. When I tell you guys, it's more easier for me to work with, especially when I wrap my bonnet on my hair. It's going to lay right, especially in the morning. I'm gonna probably do another video in the morning to show you guys exactly how the Halle Berry do is moving. Super duper smooth, no itching. It does not feel like I have on anything. If you guys like this, make sure you guys give this a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys want me to do next. Love super duper soft, love Milky Way hairstyle. Like, let me do it. Love it. See, as you guys can see, it's super duper laid down, and I love how it looks. Love it, especially when you hit the sun. It's all light coming in here. We're working with sunshine, not the dark. The dark is over there. So if you're over here on this channel, we're light. We're bringing in the light. So come on. Love it. Super duper full in the back, and that's just what I was going for. A little bit of tail in the back, can't go wrong with that. I don't know how Halle Berry had her hair in the back, but I did go in and just leave a little bit of tail out, and that's just what I did. Full tail in the back, but it's light, thin in the front, and I absolutely just layered like the front of my hair so it can stick up. That's just something that I like to do.